So I wanted to show you guys my hedging strategy, the new hedging strategy, not martingale. It's different. This works best on RGPY, and you can try it for other ones. I mean, I've done it on other ones, but I trust RJPY because the way it moves, it doesn't stay in a spot for very long. It leaves. Yeah, it doesn't stay in one spot too much. So, all right, here we go. I did a run just from here to here. Okay, I had picked a random bar on a replay. Okay, this is a 60 pip spread, and with a 20, what's right here is the SL. Let's see, 20. It's just a 20 pip SL. I ran these from here. Then I got like I was doing it in my head, and I said, "Oh, keep track," because I'm at 226 pips positive. So I said, "All right, I'm gonna start typing it down." So it's like minus 20. The volume. It was like minus 20, and each time, let's say for instance, it hits your SL, you have to move the center line. Okay, 30 pips below, 30 pips above. We're gonna move your center line right where that is, and you're gonna restart. You have your triggers, your sell stop here, buy stop up top. So it's like minus 20 and that stop the trade, reset. I'm resetting the spread each time. I lost 20, reset. I lost 20, reset. I lost 20, reset. Then I gained 85, gained 60. In my head, kind of have a trailing stop, 60. Lost 20, made 68. It ended up being after how many trades? It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it was 12 after 12 trades, it was a positive 359 pips. If you're trading, well, the way I'm trading, pretty so much around 0.58 lots. That comes out to 1,387 going just from, for 9 days. Okay. So continue to run it. Let's see if I can do it. So come here to a spot, random spot. I'm tapping the button like I'm hitting this to move forward, right? This 20 represents, 20 pips, right? See which side it's going to go on. It's consolidating. Okay, so it triggered that side. So it's going to be 20. Got my 20 here. My SL's moved up. I see a slow down pull back. I kind of take I decide whether to take the trade or not. Like I think, and I'm like, what did I gain? Just take my gains and just bounce, start over. So there's at 71. So we're gonna add that. Gonna reset. It would have triggered it. My stop loss. It would have been if I stayed it, kept it there. It just probably would have been 20, 51. Or less than that, like 50, 48 something. Anyway, okay. Didn't tap that. Tap that. Didn't hit it. Didn't hit it. Hit it. So it triggered that one. Let's see. I don't want you to think I'm using it. I'll just leave it like this. Okay, minus 20. So I wanted to show you what it looks like. Oh, so it'd be minus 20. Oh, I'm supposed to reset. Oh, it's already reset now. Okay. Would shift like 10 pips. Anyway, so reset. Hit that one, so it'd be, should be another minus 20. If it, no, well, we'll see. Let's see. So it didn't. Did it move above 20? If it moved above 20, it would end up being 0. If it hits 20, let me see. Yeah, this would be a little bit over. So yeah, it would. This would be 0 if it goes back inside. It would be a no line. It'd be a 0. So it didn't hit the 0 because the stop loss would have been right there. Didn't touch it. It was currently sitting, so still at the 0, right? It's like 2 pips. It would have been moved up. Well, yeah, it would have moved up to 10 pips in. It would have been 10 pips in. So 10, it would have been like right there. Because we're using the 20 pip hard SL, not a kind of a trailing where it kind of. So, all right. So we just got 10 pips. Well, wait. Yeah, we just got 10 pips. Plus 10 pips. Reset. Lost 20 there. Lost 20. 20, right? No, not yet. Maybe on the next one. Didn't touch it. All right, now I got it. Okay. Reset. Set it up, even though it's going wild, right? Let's see. This one was, would have been moved? Yeah, it would have been moved. This would be 0 out. If it touches it, it'd be 0. All right, so 0. It would have been a 0. Reset. Oh shit. That's why I didn't like this inside of there like that. Trying to keep it steady. Oh my goodness. So, let's see. All right. So yeah, it wouldn't have triggered this. So set 20. Roughly, it's gonna be kind of. You get the ideas. It's gonna be an estimate. 64. What I'd get out. I'll move this up to here. It goes back inside. Yeah, it went back inside. I'd get out. Plus 57, roughly. So what this does, it kind of trying to avoid the consolidation. That trailing, but it's let's see. Sometimes I'm happy. I'll take it. 35, 20. Whoops. I mean, hit it. See, to push it out. Let me see. So to the end. So this would be about right, like minus 1 pip. If it doesn't go past it, it'd be minus 1 pip. Yeah, so hit minus 1 pip. So minus 1 pip. Let's see where it is now. Plus 71 minus 20. So sitting there. So then it's got a minus. I'm at a minus 40. Hit those two 20s together. Minus 40. Then 0. Then plus 57. It's 437. Then plus 20. 457. So I would be at 457. I would be at 176. So that's how it goes. That's how I do the new RSAI style hedging. Okay. And so leave a comment section. Let me know what you think about it. Hit the like button if you like it. Subscribe to the channel if you like the ideas, like seeing more ideas on trading and things like that. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.